Marty's boss came to him one day and he said, Marty, I want you to create a TV screen that is exactly 24 square feet. But what you can do is you can decide what you want the base length to be and the height to be. Be creative. So Marty thought, hey, this is kind of a cool idea. So he started designing like you see here. And he started with a basic 4x6. And he said, well, that's kind of boring. Most everybody else has that. And so he changed and he said, okay, 3x8, that would be cool. Or 2x12, that might be nice. Hey, what if I made it skinnier? And then he thought, that's not going to work. Then he thought, you know what? I want to be creative, and I don't know how many TVs I've seen that look like this. Or, let's get a little bit more crazy, on something like this. I thought, well, what if I did... And then he thought, well, this is getting kind of skinny. And he wanted to create some sort of formula to play around with. And he knows that the area of a rectangle is area equals base times height. And since he already knows that the area is going to be 24, all he wants to do is just measure the base. You see, Marty was maybe a little bit lazy and didn't want to measure all the dimensions. And so what your task is to do is to rearrange the formula so that he can solve for the height instead of the area. Once you're done, test the numbers 4 and 6 for the base and the height and see if it works in both of your equations.